Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the decoder model and firmware so you apply the right sequence. Once you've noted settings, unplug the power lead and wait 30 seconds. This clears volatile memory. Then wait an extra 10 seconds to let capacitors discharge. This reduces startup glitches. Plug the unit back in and watch the boot sequence. Make sure LEDs follow the normal pattern. If you see error codes, write them down. After power cycle, you're ready to enter the reset menu and preserve important data. You now go into Settings and select System, then Reset. Use the remote's arrow keys for precision. Once you choose Reset, the decoder often asks for an admin PIN. Enter the code to authorize the action. Pick Factory Reset to restore defaults or choose Soft Reset to keep user data. Decide based on whether corrupted configs cause the issue. Confirm the choice and wait. The device will reinitialize software and reinstall essential components. Make sure you stay on screen until once the reset finishes, you reconfigure the decoder by rescanning channels and signing back into your provider account so entitlements restore. Then reinstall any available firmware updates and confirm network connectivity in settings. This prevents future boot loops. If you experience missing channels or pairing failures, try a USB firmware restore following manufacturer instructions. If that fails, record the error code and contact support with model and serial number. That single troubleshooting tip, document error codes, speeds resolution and avoids repeated attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.